A grizzly bear hunts for fish in the river. A black rhinoceros runs across the plains of Africa. These animals share the earth with us. They fascinate us with their beauty, and we love learning about their habits. But just loving them is not enough. These animals are endangered. Many of them are dying, and without special care, they may someday disappear from Earth. Africa was once filled with plenty of wild animals, but not anymore. One of these animals, the black rhinoceros, is powerful and can be dangerous. However, its strength can't always help it to escape hunters. Many hunters kill rhinos for their valuable horns. This has caused the black rhino to be placed on the endangered species list. The elephant is also endangered and is killed for its ivory tusks. Unfortunately, it is people who cause many of the problems that animals face. We change and pollute their habitats. We hunt them for skins, tusks, furs, and horns. We destroy animals that get in the way of farming or building. And we remove them from their natural habitats and take them home as pets. What can you do to help endangered animals? Make an effort to support zoos and wildlife groups. You can also be a smart shopper and never buy a pet that has been raised in the wilderness. If we allow even one species on Earth to die out, it affects other living things and changes our world.